Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video, and it's a special one because it's my birthday. I am so excited and I really wanted to do something very comfy, very home-like, because Lord knows I needed someone growing up to, who just felt like home, who felt comfortable, and I really want to be that person on the internet or that space on the internet for you guys. So while today I turned 26, leaving behind all of the drama of 25 years of existence and taking forward fewer lessons, not all, fewer lessons into my 26th year of adulting, I really hope you find today's video helpful and just comforting. Then yes, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. All right, let's roll up our sleeves, and to start off with, I'm a really good liar and I'm very proud of it. I don't think it's wrong as long as I'm not lying to cheat with someone, to take advantage of someone. I am comfortable with white lies. I'm comfortable to lie to save the day, to damage control. And I don't really remember at the exact point when I started lying to myself about things around me, because how determined I was to be happy. I love to be happy, we all do, but there are also some people who are scared to be happy. I can't relate. I love to be happy. I make it my life's prerogative, my life's motto to be happy, and there were times I was lying to myself so much to the point that I actually forgot the real narrative of it all. But you know what, the truth always comes out. It really always does. And when it does, it's just like, whoa, I didn't see it coming. But then also somewhere down the line you were like, really you didn't see that coming? It was so obvious. So I think a lesson I need to take forward into my 26th year is to be honest to myself. The thing with lying is it's so easy, it's so addictive that you don't realize when you start doing it with yourself even. And I think that's when the line gets blurry. You need to be honest to yourself. It's gonna be a little cringe, and it's still something I'm not sure if I've learned completely, but that is to save money. I'm really bad at savings. I just know to make money and to spend money. The part where the saving comes, I'm just like, yeah, skip to the good part. Like, what is savings? But definitely moving forward, I want to get better at savings and try to understand how mutual funds finally and really works, because I'm 26 and I have no freaking idea what is that, like what are shares, what is happening, who is buying what and why, how am I making money out of it, and where is my money going if I'm losing it. Like that whole thing. I am very financially challenged when it comes to money management, and I really want to make it my conscious decision to be finally good at it, because I know my mom's really good, my grandma was really good. Like, it's not anything about gender. Like, all of these ladies have been really good about their finances and savings. Somehow I have not got the memo yet. So yeah, moving forward, I really want to be financially responsible, because at the end of the day, it all comes also down to money. Like, who has the most of it? If you want to be sad, you would might as well be sad in your Porsche or in your BMW. It's just that. So let's just be honest about it. Right on the honesty. So yeah, I definitely moving forward want to get more financially educated. Next वाला lesson ना मुझे काफ़ी मुझे आई थिंक ये वाला एक पर्टिकुलर लेसन है जो मुझे बार बार मिलते जाता है. सो ग्रोइंग अप आई फील आई वॉज वन ऑफ योर I don't want to say I was a loser kid. I had a lot of friends, but they never really felt like mine. They always felt lot in number, but they didn't have the quality that I was looking for. That comfort, that something in some people, some friendships you look for. I didn't have that. I had quantity but not quality. And I really wish at that time that I had someone who was there for me, who felt like home, who felt comforting, but I didn't. However, the lesson that I want to tell you is, if somebody is showing you that they are bad for you, or if they are telling you they are bad for you, please be rest assured that they are that. I'm not saying they are morally very bad and wrong people. Some people, I know that's the thing with adulting. कुछ लोग ना अच्छे होते हैं. There are like really good people, but they have those fewer bad qualities that are not good for you, or they are not going to work for you, and you let it go thinking that the person as a whole is nice. It's just that one flaw and it's okay, but it's really not okay. It's really not okay. So I really want to tell this to the younger Reena, that if somebody's showing you they're bad for you, if they're telling you they're going to be bad for you, believe them because people morally don't change. I mean, yes, people change to an extent, बट पूरा कोई 180 ना, जब तक उनको लगता नहीं ना तब तक वो चेंज नहीं होते. तो तुम कितना भी उनको समझाओ, सिखाओ, कुछ भी करो, जब तक वो दिल से नहीं आता ना, वो नहीं बदलेंगे, वो नहीं सुधरेंगे. एंड यू कांट बी सरप्राइज्ड एंड डिसअपॉइंटेड in them and in yourself for believing that they could be something that you know they are capable of, but they will never be that. And on that very subject, if I could talk to the younger Reena, I would also tell her that there definitely came a place in time when, you know, she was on the heaviest of the side. She didn't really have friends who were, she thought were her friends, were not really her friends. They were making fun of her behind her back, in front of her. You just, you know, when you're the fat kid, you are just the joke. And she stood her grounds and everything, but she always was looking for her people. And can I tell you, you found your people, you found your niche, you found your people, and it all's gonna work for you. It always does work for you, and it will keep working for you because you are a good person and only good things will happen to you. And Lord, if only I knew that, life would be so much easier. Like, if only I knew that, because I know how dark it got for me at times, just thinking about the fact that what if I never find friends, what if I never find that net of people that are really really close and that are mine. You did find yours. You have your girl gang, you have your besties, you have those people. They really really love you, and guess what, you are actually capable of loving them and not just pretending you love them, because really good at lying and really good at that stuff. But nope, you know, you really care for these people and they're really good people. You're really lucky to have them, and they're of course lucky to have you. But yeah, you found your people. And on that note, if I could again talk to my younger self, I want to tell her that the boy that she was going mad over heels for, like, just oh my god, not because she was in love. I don't think it was love. I think it was like the truest form of friendship she finally had with this opposite gender. And he was your best friend. And of course the drama happened, and you know, whatever, life happened, and you know, you all were not friends for the longest time. And that broken friendship changed so many aspects that you started a YouTube channel because you felt that, damn it, you know, ek wo friend tha, because he was that one guy friend that I had who didn't make the friendship about him. Because sometimes with girl friendships, yeah, they make it about themselves. It's like, oh my god. But with guy friends, it's easy, it's different, and that was your first encounter. So you know, when you lost that friendship, you just really thought you're never going to find your friendship again, and you were wronged, which yes you were. But you know what, because that happened, you started YouTube. You turned on the camera, you sat in front of it, you did this whole community, and you know what happened? I'll tell you. You got your first job into the media industry as a media lawyer because of this channel. Yeah, I've never told that to anybody, but I actually got my first job, or rather my first internship that turned into a job, because I had knowledge of YouTube, because I had a YouTube channel. I know how the monetization works, I know how the infringement works, because I have experienced it firsthand on the receiving end. So I know what the life is of a content creator, I know what the life is of a YouTube channel owner. Guess what? That was your selling point. Cut to long ahead, not only you did fine and well into your professional career in the field that you wanted to, that is media and entertainment, but that boy that did wrong to you, that friendship that wronged you, it came back. It came back, and how you did not see it coming. But after 7 years, your phone rang, and you were just like, whoa, okay, you, hi, what's up? And the next thing you know, y'all are back to being friends. Not like how you used to be, because you are not that person anymore, and thank God. But it's, you know what, people come back, they come back, and it's funny, it's fun, it's I knew it. It happens, like, you know. So don't stress too much. You're a good person and only good things happens to you. That's all the narrative of all of that. Moving forward, my advice to you is listen to your intuitions. You are a very very intuitive girl. I'm not saying तुमको रात में सपने आते हैं, आँख बंद करने के बाद that's so Raven की तरह future दिखता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. बट यू नो जो वो अंदर की जो आवाज़ है तुम्हारे कि लाइक यू नो रीना दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज नॉट फॉर यू, एंड विच वेरी प्रैक्टिकली एंड वेरी लाउड एंड प्राउडली यू लाइक just like, you know, I know this is the right thing. No, it's not. You know it's not. You know it's not. So listen to your intuitiveness. You are an intuitive person, and listen to your intuition. Sometimes your body, your gut, you know it before you know it, you know. If you get it, you get it. And I think just like that, my last advice to my future self, my previous self, just all versions of Reena, is ask for help. It's not a bad thing, it's not a wrong thing to ask for help. So please start asking for help. It doesn't make you less of a person, it doesn't make you a bad person, but please ask for help. It Sometimes you just need what you need, and if you don't say it out loud, they're never going to know it. So please ask for help. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That is everything that I have for today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and it felt very comfy and homely, because that was the kind of vibe I was going for. Even though while you're watching this video, I'm not sure when. I mean, of course on my birthday, but at what time of the day. Probably in office doing my 9 to 5 in this exact outfit. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today is my birthday, guys. Itla to tum kar hi sakte ho. Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.